Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. It's Friday morning. Dylan's still sleeping. I'm getting up to go to work. It's 7:45, so I just got up and got ready. Now I'm gonna put the dishes away, pack my lunch, make some breakfast. It's lighting. There we go. Oh, I look tired. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I want to film a weekend vlog, so I thought I would start it here, but I have to work all day, so I'm gonna film this so you can see my morning, and then we'll start off the weekend. Happy Friday. Alright, I just got back from work. Having a little apple and peanut butter. I'm gonna chill for a little bit. We're grilling for dinner. So exciting. Okay, Google.
Shut up.
Okay. I just got a video up. Okay, Google. Pause. Dylan's making dinner. What a treat. We're having grilled chicken. It's raw, so don't look at it. Green beans.
It's just chicken, but
I know, but people like to look at raw chicken. Potato. Ooh, those look good. Potatoes.
that wasn't unsafe.
You have to unlock it. Tenderizing the meat. Gross. I'm gonna try an experiment. I'm gonna try to make a drink. So, I need a glass. I need a top. Alright, I'm gonna do ice. Can't see me. Here, you can flip it back so you can see. Okay, tequila. Grapefruit seltzer.
Shout out to Hanford's.
And then I want to do... Should I do fresh lime or just lime juice?
I do lime juice.
Lime juice. Or lemon juice.
Lime juice.
Oh, that's kind of like a skinny marg.
A little bit.
Except it's grapefruit. I don't know how much tequila I put in it, to be honest. Excuse me, I need a straw. Wait, that's actually really good. I should have salted the rim. Wanna try it? You might
Sure.
not like it because you don't like marks or tequila. It tastes like a skinny marg. Just try it. You're not gonna like it, but like...
It's not awful.
Yeah, you can appreciate that it's not your thing, but you can appreciate that it came out good.
Yeah, no, it's definitely not awful. I just don't like tequila.
It needs a little salt. Wow. Alright, so grapefruit, seltzer, tequila and lime juice. It's pretty dang good.
You could use any type of seltzer.
Yeah, that's good. Cool, I just made a new drink. Okay, so we had dinner and I ate way too much. Babe, did you eat too much?
I ate just the right amount.
I ate way too much. Now we're gonna watch Dexter. I made another marg, skinny marg. Remember how I said there was too much tequila?
Yeah.
That's not good. Maybe I won't drink that. Good morning. We're making French toast sticks, so we're gonna attempt to. So then we broiled these and then we're gonna dip them in the egg and then put them on the butter and then throw them in cinnamon sugar. Alright guys, we just finished the French toast sticks. Dylan just tried them. He said they're not too bad. I'm gonna try. Can I use your syrup for a second? Okay. That's pretty good. Hi guys, so I worked out, showered. Did a few things. Now we're having lunch. I'm having the leftover pad see ew from this week. Dylan had tacos, and then we're gonna go take a walk. So that's exciting. It's so nice out. I'm gonna have some pad see ew. I'm excited. It's so good. It's so nice to be outside.
It's so nice. A little windy over the bridge, but not too bad.
Yeah. It's so windy down here. Honestly, this is still a good weekend though. Like, you can still get outside, walk around. I think I saw on Gretchen's, I think it was one of her Instagram posts, you probably can't even hear me, but it was like to appreciate what you can still do instead of like thinking about what you can't. You know? Like Dylan all the time.
So much cardboard last.
Like almost had it. Oh, there we go.
Oh, I want to do that. Do I have to do it in slow motion? Yeah. Or can
You can.
No, I can. No, I'll just.
It's gonna burn out.
I know, I'm sorry.
There you go. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. I've been up since 5 a.m. I recorded a podcast. I've been drinking coffee. I just showered, self-tanned. Now I'm gonna have breakfast because I'm so hungry. I was editing, what vlog was that? I think it was the Bake With Me vlog. And I had a egg white scramble that morning, so I think I'm gonna have, so I kind of want that, but I kind of want what I usually have, a English muffin and peanut butter banana. So I think I'm gonna do half a banana, the egg white scramble, English muffin with peanut butter, and half a banana. Yeah, instead of a whole banana. So instead of having like the rest of the banana on the side, I'm gonna have the scramble on the side. Does that make sense? I'm gonna make it. Happy Sunday. It is so nice out today. We're getting ready to go to Dylan's grandma's. What am I doing?
I don't know.
Oh, it's so nice. It's supposed to get up to 70 today, I guess. And I didn't bring my camera, so I'm just on my phone right now. But it's Sunday. Got ready. Put in some star earrings. I didn't do my hair, but I did my makeup. And this day. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna go to Dylan's grandma's house. His whole family's going because it would have been his grandpa's birthday today. So that's sad, but it's happy that everyone can get together and be with their grandma. So yeah, we're gonna go have lunch over there, and then I'll probably come back here and edit some videos. So that's the Sunday plan. We're bringing our recyclables to the grocery store. Got my little card. Yeah, happy Sunday. Guys, I just woke up from a nap. I'm gonna have a nice bowl of fruit. I just have banana, half a banana, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, pineapple. So I'm gonna have this, chill for a sec, and then I'm gonna put away the dishes and edit my what I eat in a week video. It's 3:15, and that's probably my plan for the rest of the afternoon. I want to get that edited hopefully today. Oh no, I need to finish editing the podcast and get that up. I'll do one or the other, and I'll make dinner. So I just want to update you because I took a nap and it was much needed since I've been up since 5. Update, I'm still hungry, so I'm gonna have the remains of the corn Chex cereal. It's mostly like crumbs, but I'm gonna munch on this while I was gonna say I need my camera, but it's in my hand. I'm gonna munch on this while I edit my what I eat in a week video. Just got the podcast done. I'll upload that. It's 4 o'clock. Having another snack. All right, I got a lot going on right now. So I am making cauliflower taco bowls for dinner. I need to mix this up. I just put, so I made these a few weeks ago. You may recognize the recipe, but I'm mixing up the seasoning and doing the seasonings that I like. So maybe I'll like it more this time. Dylan loved this last time and it just wasn't really my favorite. But I'm trying it again. So we have that, and then I have the cauliflower in the oven. It has peppers and onions. I'm packing my lunch for tomorrow. It's just a full, I'm also adding, we're gonna do shredded lettuce at the bottom, little lime, little tomato, little salsa. So yeah, I'm just cooking up, getting my lunch ready for tomorrow. I'm packing more snacks because I just feel like I'm starving when I get home. So I'm packing some strawberries, some more fruit. I need frozen blueberries for my yogurt. That's yeah, just having a night of cooking. Here, I'll put this down. Not really a night of cooking. I'm just like making dinner and prepping my lunch. But if you don't pack your lunch the night before for work, you're doing it wrong. You're not gonna pack it the morning of. No. Pack it the night before. You just have to throw it in your bag, head out the door. I don't even know what time it is. Oh, 5:55. Cool, we're right on schedule. Okay, dinner's ready. We got our bowls. Dylan's home. He's got the chips out, it's ready.
Boom.
He suggested we have this again, he really likes it.
I do like it, it's good stuff.
I didn't really like it the first time, but...
Wow, your bowl is huge.
I put a lot of lettuce.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But I'm gonna give it a whirl. Try it again.
Why not?
I seasoned it different. So hopefully it's good. Yeah, it's better. Helps that we put like a cilantro avocado.
Lime ranch.
Oh, lime avocado ranch on. That just wasn't it.
Gotta mix it up.
Alright, dinner was so good. We just cleaned up a little bit and now we're gonna watch some Dexter. It's still really nice out. Like the sun's still out. It's at like 7 o'clock I think. And it was just such a nice day today. I think it got up to like 70, over 70. So that was really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this weekend vlog. I think I'm gonna end it here because we're just gonna watch Dexter and chill. But yeah, have a great week when you're seeing this. I don't know. I have so many videos right now. I don't even know when this is gonna go up. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. And I'll see you tomorrow or whenever I see you. Bye.